You throw it at me?
Throw one at Daddy.
Here, throw this one at me. Throw it at me. Oh, pick it up.
He's a silly boy.
Throw it at me. Oh, I'm gonna throw it at you. Oh, gotcha.
Daddy, don't kill yourself.
Hey, girls.
Hi, Dada. Are you waving in your little mitten?
Hey, girls. Hi, Ashlyn. Say hi.
Say it.
Are you cold?
Is it chilly? Yeah. He's trying to sled.
They don't work real well, do they, buddy?
Bryson, is this fun? Oh! Throw a snowball at sister.
Pick up a snowball.
Come get sister. Here he comes.